Hi guys! So today is holiday. Pero may work ang babaeng ito. But before everything else, we'll go to IKEA! For breakfast. Breakfast at Tiffany's. Huh?
Demanding yarn. Masyado siyang dependent dito sa...
We're here at IKEA. We're gonna eat breakfast. Okay, we're here at IKEA. Yum! Ate got tapa and arroz caldo. We have fruits, chicken fingers, and we're done eating. Hi vlog!
Hi!
You look good today. Ang bilis ng pangyayari. Kanina nasa IKEA lang ako. Ngayon nagtatrabaho na ako. Yan lang yung ganap ko ngayong holiday. It's a working holiday. So I will work until 9 p.m. And then matutulog ako. And then, Tuesday na. Oh, hi! This is my Annie! Thank you, doctor, for the treat. Say hi to the vlog. Hi! Thank you! And I'm just a friend. And I'm thinking maybe we were meant to be. Time check. It's 7:40 and something is wrong sa araw na ito because I feel so tired. I'm so tired. Di man ako nakapag-ipit ng maayos. See? This is so me as a student and as a worker. Time check. 8:40. Kakain ako. Pagkain na dapat kanina ko pa kinakain. 9 AM pa ako bukas.